Morning everyone, I am Poonam Sharma, your KG teacher. Again I am back with new work. Kids, you know what we are going to do today? Today we have to do an English subject dictation. Okay? डिक्टेशन में 5 लेटर्स आपको कैपिटल लिखने हैं और 5 स्मॉल लेटर्स. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डू अ साउंड वर्ड्स. ओके, यूसेस अ. क्लियर? और उसके बाद इंग्लिश बुक में हम स्टोरी रीड करेंगे. कौन सी? द कैप्सुला एंड द मंकी. ओके, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम वी विल स्टार्ट आवर वर्क. Let's start our written work. Mention the date in left side and written work on the right side. Kids, today's date is 15 September 2020. Okay? Now write here dictation. Kids, you have to write 5 capital letter and 5 small letter in dictation. Okay? Let's start. First letter is H. Write here H. H for hen. Okay. Second is I. I for ice cream. Okay. Third is X. X for Xmas tree. Okay. And last is F. F for fish. Clear? Sorry, not last. Right here N. N for nest. Okay. Fifth one is last. Okay kids, N for nest. Again repeat. First is H. Second is I. Third is X. Fourth is F. And fifth is. Okay. Now write here small letters. Write here sixth one is her. Listen to me. Her. H says her. Small h. H says her. Okay. Seventh is E. I says E. Okay. Next is X. Small x. X is X. Okay. Right here 4. F says 4. F says 4. Okay. And last is N. N says N. Okay. Has everyone written? And next page. Again, mention the date and written verb. Write in this line a sound words. Okay? A sound words. Let's start. Right here B. B. A. B. B. A. B. Okay? Ma. What is this? Ma. 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 Okay? Ta. 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 Speak and write. B. B. Ma. Ma. Ta. Ta. Okay kids? B. B. Ma. Ma. Ta. Ta. Okay? You have to write while speaking. Yes, take out your book number 2. take out your story page. Page number 116. Okay? Today we will read a story. The Capsula and the Monkeys. Speak with me and move your finger. The Capsula and the Monkeys. Kids, speak with me. The Capsula and the monkeys. Okay, look here. Who is he? Yes, Capsula. कौन है ये? Capsula. और Capsula के हैंड में क्या है ऊपर? ये बास्केट. और बास्केट में क्या रखी हुई है? बहुत सारी. Yes, caps. है ना? So many caps are there. ये कौन है? Capsula, टोपी वाला. और ये क्या सेल करता है? कैप्स बेचता है. ओके, so let's start. Once upon a time there was a Capsula. Again, once upon a time there was a Capsula. Okay, he went to towns and villages to sell his caps. Okay, he put all his caps in a basket and carried them on his head. Okay, आया समझ में? एक बार एक कौन था? कैप्सुला. कौन था ये? कैप्सुला. और वो टाउन्स में, विलेज में कैप्स को सेल करने जाता था. के वो अपनी कैप्स को किस में रखता था? बास्केट में. व्हाट इज दिस? बास्केट. ही पुट ऑल हिज कैप्स इन अ basket. Okay, and carried them on his head. और कहाँ पे रख के ले जाता था? अपने हेड पे. Okay, okay kids, that's all for today. Tomorrow we have to read next paragraph. Okay, take care. Bye.